morn was breaking bright and fair, and the lark sang in the sky. When the maid she bound her golden hair with the blind glance in her eye, for who beyond the gay green wood was awaiting her with joy? Oh, who but the gallant Renardine on the mountains upon her life? Full often in the dawning hour, full often twilight brown, he met a maid in the woodland bower, where the stream comes rolling down. For they were faithful in a love no war could ever destroy. No tyrant's law judged Renardine on the mountains upon the rise. Sing the chorus. And now, Lord man, in a land forlorn, he scorned to turn and fly, but he kept the cause of freedom safe on the mountains upon the rise. Dear Lord, she said, I am so afraid of the foeman's horse and you, that have trapped you in the lowland plain and all the valley through. My kinsmen frown when you are named, your life they would destroy. Beware, I say, of Renardine on the mountains upon the right. And now, Lord man, in a land forlorn, he scorned to turn and fly, but he kept the cause of freedom safe on the mountains upon the right. Fear not, my love, he cried, fear not the foe for me. No chain shall fall, whate'er betide, on the arm that will be free. Oh, leave your cruel kin and come when the lark is in the sky, and it's with my gun I'll guard you on the mountains upon the right. And now, Lord man, in a land forlorn, he scorned to turn and fly, but he kept the cause of freedom safe on the mountains upon the right. The morn has come, she rose and fled from her cruel kin and home, and bright the woods and rosy red where the tumbling torrents roll. But the mist came down and the tempest rolled